Meaning of harvest moon.
Harvest moon.
Harvest moon.
Harvest moon.
Harvest moon. The term harvest moon refers to the full moon that occurs closest to the autumnal equinox, typically in September or October. This moon often appears larger and brighter than a typical full moon, and stays in the sky for a longer period of time, providing additional light to farmers during the harvest season. The term comes from the idea that this moon allowed farmers to extend their workday by providing extra light to gather crops. Overall, the harvest moon is a fascinating natural phenomenon that has been celebrated in cultures around the world for centuries.